It has arrived. Pew. Pew. Where's the hose? Nice. Much better. Oh yeah. One-handed, sorry. I'm not a professional yet. Typical two-prong cord. Nice. What else we got? Some informational stuff? Maybe? Yeah, paperwork. And it's just a placeholder. Alright. Cool. It's pretty much almost sized to the same as the box. Little bigger. Sweet. Alright. A little size comparison. Here's my older one. So the new one, a little smaller. Slightly shorter as well. Old one has more ports. Let's see. That's weird. Why is there a sticker on the bottom? There's a sticker on the hole. So in this version we only get HDMI power. So I'm just gonna use the same power from old one and plug her in. And the remote, of course, best part. Yeah, that didn't come off that easy. I guess I did it wrong. So here's our old remote. It's a little thicker. But as you can see, the glass trackpad is easy to drop and break. This one's also been in the washing machine and doesn't hold up battery charges long. So this one, hopefully we don't need like a case on it or anything. So I don't think aluminum's gonna break that easily. And should last forever, hopefully. Battery wise. Much easier to find with silver. So there you go. Apple TV, the new 4K. And this is the older, actually this one's just the HD version, not even 4K. Which model? A1625. And this is the, where is it? A2737. Alright, so I just plugged it in using my existing stuff that I had behind the TV. Gonna hide it somewhere back there. Blah, blah, blah. And, oh, hola. Press the center button. Bonjour. Cool, English. It's pretty simple so far. Blah, blah, blah. Ah. And I won't show you this because it should be easy, but there's a setup.